this is Ellie from GOLDZIM Construction, Qingdao Limited, and we are leading in exporting construction machinery for more than 17 years. And today we are at Qingdao warehouse, and the big guy next to me is SD22F Bulldozer. Today let me introduce it briefly. This SHANTUI SD22F Bulldozer has excellent working efficiency. The standard width of this chassis traction is 560mm, and it can specially used for many poor conditions because of this high reliability and load capacity. The operating weight of this bulldozer is 23.4 tons, and the standard straight tilt blade capacity is 4.6 cubic meters, and the blade has other options can choose. For example, the angle, semi-U, U-type blade can equip them according to your different working conditions. Look at the cabin, it's equipped with ROPS. Also, it can equipped with air condition and adjustable seat, which let you more comfortable when you drive or take a rest. Okay, today's Qingdao warehouse trip is over. Looking forward to cooperation with you. See you next time. Goodbye.